lockdown on several cities as COVID-19 infection cases are soaring, especially from the Omicron variant.
Yuzhou, a city in Henan province, is in lockdown as 74 new cases reported Monday, pushing the total number of infections to more than 230 in just a few days. The city has conducted 7 rounds of mass testing and began an 8th round Tuesday morning among residents in certain restricted areas. Other cities also implementing lockdown are Xi'an and Anyang, which are inhabited by 13 million and 5.5 million people respectively. Both cities have reported local transmission of the Omicron variant. Meanwhile, restrictions are imposed on the port city of Tianjin, only about an hour from Beijing, the host of Winter Olympics from February 4th. It wasn't clear how long the lockdown would last in those cities. New South Wales mandated the reporting of rapid test result as the Australian state reported 21 deaths. This is a new high record for COVID-19 deaths.
The number topped Monday's previous record of 18 deaths. New South Wales has also recorded more than 34,000 new COVID cases and over 2,000 hospitalizations, including more than 100 patients in intensive care. The state of Victoria also reported 21 deaths on the same day, along with more than 40,000 new cases, as the state government announced 1,000 of first-year healthcare students and retired nurses would be recruited as vaccinators to meet rising demands for booster shots. New South Wales State Premier Dominic Perrottet says residents who fail to register their test results to the Service New South Wales application would face a fine of up to $721, explaining the registration process through the application is simple and will help health officials provide more support to people with underlying health conditions. Meanwhile, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison met senior ministers in Canberra to address the impacts the virus was having on supply chains.